Today we are going to see how to record the videos with photo or camera. So a lot of people are asking to me like how do you record the videos and with free of cost with your image and so the photo and plus videos like that they were asking. So today I'm going to show you how we will do the video recording of your any kind of presentation you are preparing with photo and video with the help of free tools. So you will see I have chosen here free cam software, which is a free open source you can download, and zoom video, and here is my ppt, so which I'm going to presentation. Here two things you will see: how we will record it, and plus how we will record it with the video. So let's start. So first I have to, what I'll do, pre-cam software I have to start. It's already running, so I have started the recording. It is saying it is running, so you can start the pre-cam recording software first and it will be running. Then what you do, you do one thing: you start the zoom and do a meeting. So you say start a new meeting, and here it go, it started a new meeting. And don't select the voice, I'll say like this. You can say this is what the video recording have started, and you will share your content. This is one of the way. There are multiple ways you can do, but this is, you will see here the video, my video cam. I will move this to corner so that it will look beautiful. Then I will open my ppt. So I will open my ppt and I will start presenting. I can present the ppt like this, and I can start doing the ppt. So if you will see, I have opened my ppt, and here if you see this corner, the image is coming, and with the pre-recording software, everything whatever I am talking, it is started recording. So this is how you can do the like pre-cam recording. If you want to adjust it, you can move into this side or this corner. Here I can put it here, or you can put it here corner, wherever place is free you can put it there. That is one way to do it. There are multiple software available. Some people used to use multiple cameras, like they will be using phone camera to record it, and they will use presentation as a laptop. You can use that, but this is a very easiest way, and you can use that. So that is what I thought to explain. I hope this helps you.